Hello friends, welcome to Lesson 9 of our Excel series. In this video, we'll learn how to convert a normal range into a table format and also how to convert a table back into a plain range, all in just a few clicks. But before we begin, if you find value in this content, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep bringing helpful content for you. Let's start with how to convert a range into a table. Method 1. The regular way. Go to the Home tab, then click on Format as Table. Now, you'll see several style options. Choose any one you like. A dialog box will pop up. If your data has headers, make sure the My Table Has Headers checkbox is ticked. Click OK, and just like that, your table is ready. Method 2. The shortcut like a pro. Simply select your data and press Ctrl T. Then press Enter or click OK. Boom! You've got your formatted table in seconds. Now let's see how to convert a table back into a range. Click anywhere inside the table, then go to the Table Design tab on the ribbon. Now click on Convert to Range. It'll ask for confirmation. Just click Yes, and done. Your data is back to a regular range. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe to stay updated with more Excel tips.